Hello viewers, welcome back again to my channel. This is Anita Chopra here. Before starting the video today, let me thank all my viewers, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking my channel. Keep on supporting and subscribing my channel. And for further details, for the notes, you can check down my description box. So let's get started with today's video. Today we will be discussing about pronoun. In the earlier video, we have already discussed the pronoun first part, that was personal pronoun. Today we will be discussing demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun is which indicates noun in the sentence, right? Noun in a sentence. It indicates the noun in the sentence. In this, basically 4 words are there, that is this, that, these and those. What are the 4 words? That is this, that, these and those. For example, if I write, this is my book. Right, this is my book. After all these 4 words, if the verb is coming, yes, after these 4 words, if verb is coming, then it is the demonstrative pronoun, right? Yes, after this, is there, that is the helping verb is coming, so this is the demonstrative pronoun. But on the one more example we can take, if supposing this book is mine. This book is mine. Here immediately after this noun is there, that is book. Yes, in the earlier one it was there that this is. After these 4 words, if verb is coming, then this becomes demonstrative pronoun. But if after all these 4 words, if noun is coming, then it becomes the demonstrative adjective, right? Demonstrative adjective. 2 points to remember. First thing is, after these 4 words, if verb is coming, then this is demonstrative pronoun, right? And if after all these 4 words, if noun is coming, then this sentence becomes a demonstrative adjective. Is that clear? Yes, with this the demonstrative pronoun is okay. Let us move further. That is another one we will be discussing, that is interrogative pronoun, right? Interrogative. In interrogative pronoun, as the name is also telling, interrogative is used to ask question, is used to ask questions. Yes, what is the indication? Yes, what is the sign? In this, the sentence usually starts from WH family. Yes, WH family plus how and plus question mark. In the end of the sentence, question mark will be there, right? And WH family will be there, and it is usually starting from, is used to ask from, for asking questions, and it starts with WH family or how and ends up with question mark. We can understand this by example, that is, who is at the door? Who? So this is the example of interrogative pronoun. Yes, it is starting from WH and this is asking the question, plus at the end of the sentence it is having the question mark also. Clear? Now the next type of pronoun is relative pronoun. Yes, that is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, in this also WH family is there. Yes, but not in the beginning of the sentence. Yes, not in the beginning of the sentence. Relative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to join phrase with another in a sentence. Yes, WH family, it is not there in the starting of the sentence, it is there in between, somewhere in the sentence. For example, Rahul is the boy who helped me. Yes, here who is what? Relative pronoun. Yes, it is also starting from WH, but here in this statement they are not asking the question. Here it is telling that it is creating a relation that Rahul is the person who helped me. Right? Clear? Then further we will be discussing, that is, I hope with the example or the pronouns are clear in your mind. Further, the last one for the today's video, that is distributive pronoun. Yes, distributive pronoun. Now, what is distributive pronoun? In this, persons or things are used as single or in groups. Right? For example, words will be like, either, neither, yes, all, etc., every, yes, like that words. So example will be either of you can solve this sum. Yes, so we can use the sentence here, either of you can solve this sum, right? Or you can use neither of you can solve this sum, all of you can solve this sum, yes, everybody, yes, or every one of you can solve this sum, like that, right? Today we have completed 4 more pronoun. Yes, remember the 4 of them. First one we have discussed about what? We have discussed about demonstrative. In that I told you 4 main words are that is this, that, these and those. Second, we have discussed about interrogative, in which I told you that WH family is there plus how, and at the end question mark is there. Third, we have discussed about relative pronoun, which was telling you that it is also starting from WH but not in the beginning of the sentence. It is there somewhere in the middle of the sentence. Right? And lastly, the distributive pronoun, in which persons or things are used as single or in groups. For example, either, in this, all these types of words are used like either, neither, all, like that. Right? Either of you can solve this sum. Yes, the remaining pronouns we will be covering in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, and thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. See you in my next video. Thank you, viewers.